So a fella has picked up this HP mouse, but it doesn't work. When I say it doesn't work, it doesn't power up. It doesn't switch on. So let's put a battery in and test it. So battery's in. Nothing. That's accurate to what I was told. Doesn't work. The chip for it and everything. The receiver, sorry, the chip. God, I'm live. So let's see if we can fix this mouse. Roll the intro. Right, so I was past this because a friend said I had this mouse stop working. So what do people generally do? Because of the price of mouses are so cheap, you just go and buy another one. I said, do you want to look at it before I throw it out? I said, ah, wait, not today. May as well. So let's break it open. Well, not break it open. Oof. Let's see what's what. Oh, magnet. Oh, the power cable, yeah. Let's get in. God, look at the state of my mat. It's filthy, man. It's filthy, man. Right, where's my tweezers? So, mouse wheel, the buttons, which are nice and dirty. That's the thing with mice, isn't it? Because your hands are on them all the time, they get dirty. Bit of silver. Right, anyway, so a battery here. That's the power plug. That's the plus there. So, what the hell? Look at that. What the friggin' Nora? Why do I keep getting these weird ones? What the hell happened here? It's like it was blown apart. Anyway, bloody odd. Could that be the problem? Well, it's a problem. Let's take this out. So power comes in here, that's the positive. That we did, yeah, positive. This comes along, oh, use the switch, look. This comes along here to the switch. So is that on? It's on. And it comes across here to this via. Oh, it doesn't. What's it called? So that's the power in. So it does go there. Now it goes to the switch. Now wait, it switches the wires as well. So switch that back on. Is that on or off? Oh, it's off. Right, yeah, so it goes through to these wires here. So if I switch that off, yeah, it disconnects here, look. Sort that out anyway. Don't think we're going to need the microscope for this one. Let's get this bit. Because I've got the tweezers the right way around, don't I? There. So let's get a bit of solder on it. Put the fan on it. Come on. Bloody helmet. Here we are. And then some solder wick. Solder wick. Take it back off. I hope a pad hasn't come up. It looks like it might have. No, I think we're alright. Oh, it has come up a bit, is it? Yeah, it has. On this side, look. You might be alright there, though. God knows what happened there. Can I push that over? Right, if I get some thin solder here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to dab ya. Right, I gotta find a bloody capacitor now. Have I got any like that? God, no, I haven't. Sugar. I'm going to have a look on the boards I got by here. Got a board by here. Looks like might just have a winner right by here. So let's take him off. This is why I don't throw boards out. There's loads of parts and empty. They're not too bad actually. So if I jangle habit there. I don't know what jangle means. Anyone? Don't know where that just came from. Jingle jangle. Put a nice big blob on this side now. Then I'm going to do the same again here. There. Oh. Let's just check him now. Then let's check continuity. No. Why haven't I got continuity? Because the switch is on off, is it? Oh, I hope so. Brilliant. Excellent. So the question is, was that the problem? It's got to be a problem anyway, isn't it? Oh, you're doing it not straight, but I've got to learn to quit when I'm ahead. It's that moment of trepidation now. Have I fixed it or not? Yeah! It's got to pay, it's got to connect. Yeah, it's working. Powering on. Marvellous. Finally a quick win! Probably just broke in then when I slammed it back down. I gotta get this matte clean. Anyway, lovely little quick fix there. HP mouse. I gotta be honest, I do like the blue laser instead of a red one. Very nice. Although I don't use a flat mouse, I use the vertical. Anyway, that's by the by. So, hope you've enjoyed this little quick fix. And until next time, ta-da! But don't forget to subscribe.